This video I will show you how you can install and set up Visual Studio Code on both Windows 11 and macOS. It doesn't matter if you have like Windows 10 or 8 maybe if you are living under a rock, but it should be the same way. So first I will show you how to get it set up on Windows, and then I will show you how you can set it up on macOS as well. Alrighty, so let's get started. So first you would need a browser. So on my Windows machine I only have Microsoft Edge right now. So I will use that. You can use Chrome or whatever you have there, and you simply go and search Visual Studio Code, and there are two versions. One is called Visual Studio Code and the other one is Visual Studio Code Insiders. So if you want to test out the newest features early at the before official release, then you can use Visual Studio Code Insiders. If not, then stick with Visual Studio Code, the normal version, so that you don't get any bugs and those kind of things. Okay, because Visual Studio Code Insiders will have some bugs because it's still in development. So code.visualstudio.com, that's your URL that you can go to, and you can click on download for Windows. Okay, and it will start downloading. Okay, so I'm on ARM machine, so if you are on like an Intel based machine, that's fine too. It will automatically download the Visual Studio Code suitable for your laptop. Alrighty, let's open the file, and you can simply say I accept the agreement. If you want, you can read all of this, but I won't be reading it. Click next, and yeah, select the browser, like the file where you want to have it to install. Next, I'll leave it as default. If you don't want to create a start menu folder, you can click here. I wanted to create it, so next, and make sure you do this. Okay, it will help you out a lot when you are developing with this thing, which is Studio. Okay, install. I'll pause the video, and once it's done, it will be ready. So now it's done, so let's open it up, finish, and there you go. It's very easy. Okay, now I'm on the macOS, and the last part I showed you how you can install Visual Studio Code on Windows. Now I'll show you how you can do the same for Mac. So what you need is a browser. So by default you would have Safari on your computer, so Safari is fine, but I'm using Google Chrome, so choose whatever you like, and simply search for again code.visualstudio.com, download. Okay, and you will get the first link. And the good thing about this website is that it will show you all of the things, Mac, and it really depends. So make sure that if you are on Intel chip, you install for the Intel chip. If you are on Apple Silicon, you install for Apple Silicon. Okay, and if you can install Universal as well. Okay, but I'm on Apple Silicon, I'm one, so I will choose Apple Silicon. Okay, and it will start downloading. And let's wait for it to download, and I'll okay, so it finished downloading. Let's open it up, and you have to double click on it, and it will extract the Visual Studio Code. And once it's done, okay, what you can do is you can simply drag and drop into your applications folder. Okay, and I'll replace it because I previously also had it, so replace, and yeah, so all done. So now what you can do is just to command spacebar, it will open up your Spotlight, and now you can search for Visual Studio Code, and it will open it up. And it's that simple to set up Visual Studio Code on macOS as well. So I hope you like this video, and yeah, see you, bye bye.